a house and 3 mistresses. Even with the beard, I'm not as hairy as my sister is. Got a new Hummer, 2 Ferraris, and some Lexuses. And all the girls I know got the big, big breastises. I got a 10-story mansion on the beach with a swimming pool filled up with the drool of Robin Leach. Richer than a Twinkie, I got so much cash that to me, Paris Hilton is poor white trash. I take 47 weeks of vacation a year. When people piss me off, I can make them disappear. Every time I sneeze, I get a feature on the news. The reporter says gesundheit and hilarity ensues. And how did I get to be the man that I am? I got among men only without the tan. It's simple. Every time I have to make a choice, I just listen to my little inner voice. And he says,
shave all the hair off your butt and glue it to your nostrils.
Okay.
Steal all the milk from all the supermarkets and put it back in the cows.
Alright.
Find out which species of rodent is the most flammable.
Okay.
Let's see what fun crafts we can make using only a chainsaw and Regis Philbin.
Yeah! So how do I explain my little cranial expressions, intuition, premonition, or demonic possession? It could be God, an angel on my dental Paul, or that nasty purple fuzzy thing that lives in my wall. Doesn't matter, and to be honest, I don't want to know, cause thanks to him I've never had to deal with an HMO, and I can go show off my rocket power solid full bins. I tell you, life is so much nicer with invisible friends.
Record an all-banjo Falco tribute album.
Done and done.
Put on a tutu, glue 2 live wiener dogs to your face, and prance around the subway terminal screaming, "Stop looking at me!"
Okay.
There's no reason not to have sex with a cheese grater.
Huh. No, suppose not.
Set up a stand outside of Kmart with a plate full of frozen peas and a sign reading "Take one." If anyone asks you what the hell you're doing, give them a button that says, "I asked about the peas."
He's become my best friend, sticks with me to the end. Thanks to him, I'll never live on ramen noodles again. And he's always by my side, every minute, every hour. Though it does get kinda creepy when I'm trying to take a shower. Still, I can't complain, cause he made me rich and figured out it was the possum milk that made me itch. If it seems weird, remember, the voice made me do it. I don't question what he says, I just get up and get to it.
Itemize everything in your cat's litter box for the next 7 years and mail a report to the president with a note saying, "Here!"
Good idea.
It's time to find out what urinal cakes taste like.
If you say so.
Get a black and white horizontally striped suit, a mask, and a bowling ball with a small length of rope hanging from it, and tiptoe around the airport.
Sounds like fun.
How old does a baby need to be before it's too big to fit down the toilet?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Keep swallowing magnets until your farts can erase videotapes.
So to that guy in my head, I just want to say thanks for removing my angst. So I'm no longer shooting blanks, and now I own several banks. We'll send inflatable watch and paid Justin Timberlake to let me kick him in the crotch. I followed his advice and now I'm making major duckets. If it wasn't for him, I'd still be processing big nuggets. So when life makes you feel like you should have stayed in bed, just listen to the voice in your head, and he'll say,
"Fat people are full of toys, go get some!"
Yeah!
Build a 20-foot-tall nude statue of Tony Goldmark licking warm margarine off a malnourished dolphin out of onions, pears, and lint.
With pleasure.
If Yanni didn't want to be set on fire and jump down a flight of stairs, surely he would have said so explicitly by now.
Yeah, I guess so.
Go to a McDonald's playland, tie that big Officer Big Mac thing to the back of your car, and drive away at 90 miles an hour. When a cop pulls you over, roll down the window and indignantly ask, "What?"
You got it.
Move to New Jersey and become a comedy rap artist.
Do I have to?
Hey kids, hi, can I have some of those? Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids! Ah!
Take a crowbar and shove it up your hole. I hate you fucking kids. I wanna shave off your cocks. I want some fucking tricks. After all, I'm on the box. I'm a rabbit, damn it. Why the fuck do I want tricks? I'm supposed to be happy with lettuce and carrot sticks. Don't give me that tricks or gets crap, cause that is all I hear. I'm gonna rip your nuts off and shovel in your ear. They used to look real boring, now they've got fruity shapes. Before they looked like donuts, now they look like pears and grapes. If you don't give me some of those, your ass I'm gonna punt. I've got big D, so it would hurt if I bit your cunt. I'm a rabbit, damn it, why the fuck do I want tricks? I'm supposed to be happy
it. Fruit Loops are probably just as good.
There's murder and corruption, there's sorrow and there's anguish, there's torture and there's torment, and there's news and there's news, there's business suits and bullies, there's travesties and traffic, there's genocide and homelessness and plagues and corporate greed and... Fuck you! The money is eating the floor! Fuck you! The money is eating the floor! Fuck you! It's a goddamn floor! And the money is eating it! There's fascists and there's fat cells, there's hellfire and there's hailstorms, and evil men with evil minds keep doing evil things. There's trench coats and tiaras, there's crude oil and colonics, there's STDs and escargot and WMDs and... Fuck you! The news is doing a dance! Fuck you! The news is doing a dance! Fuck you! It's eating some bread and now it's doing a dance! Sweet Jesus is doing a dance! The internet wants to love you. The internet wants to make it all better. The internet wants to hold you close and caress your hair and bite your fucking nipples. What? There's bankers and there's borders. There's conflicts and collisions. There's agony and effigies, despondency and deities. There's bird flu and there's bomb threats, reactions and recessions. There's blasphemy and bigotry and tragedies and hate and... Fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! Just look at the monkey! Really look at the monkey! I said look at the goddamn monkey! Fuck you! The pig is doing a goose! Fuck you! The dance is riding a flower! Fuck you! The monkey is eating a body! The internet is a big war fuck for the world! Fuck you! For the world! Fuck you! A big war fuck for the world! Fuck you! For the world! Fuck you! For the world!
This one needs a bit of setup and help, and I think we have enough people to do this tonight. This is the most evil song I've ever written. We're going to divide this audience into three groups. And people over here, you are the sex group. If I point to this side of the room, I need you to all scream out, sex! Can you do that? Awesome. This middle of the room, you're going to be the drugs group, so let your little straight edge ideas go. And when I point at you, I need you to scream drugs! Can you do that? We played at Syracuse last night, straight edge capital of the fucking world. We had like one guy, drugs! Then he got his ass kicked. Anyway, over here we have the Satan group, the most evil group of all. I want to hear some Bruce Dickinson, I want to hear some Rob Halperds, and I want to hear some Tom Arias. Let's do it now. Satan! Satan! Awesome, alright. Wait, I'm still torn by the weakness of the sex group right now. I guess we need some people from over here to... we need some drugs to help the sex. Alright, let's try this again now. Alright! This is called What Your Parents Think All Your Music Sounds Like.
Kill your parents, kill your teachers, kill yourself. Sculpt a statue of the devil with your feces. Shit, fuck that beer! Shit, fuck that beer!
All the cool kids sacrifice their cat to